Lions football.
Yeah. Lions football.
Squeeze through there.
Benny, what did you get?
Lions football.
You got a football and balloons? Oh, whoa.
Want me to get the football?
That is so cool, Ben. What do you say to Nana? What do you say to her?
Ooh.
Hey.
What do you say to
Look at
Nana?
the camera and say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana. Hey. Let's get this big ball out.
Okay.
One more time. Go ahead.
Okay, pet him one more time, Ben. Good job.
Go.
There, that's good.
This one over here. This one.
The other way. Brush him the other way. Watch. She's going to show you.
You see how I'm petting it?
Brush him the same way.
So from head to tail.
Yeah, like that. Very nice. Very good, Ben. Yuck. 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 You know that Bella doesn't have a diaper on. Did you know she's not wearing a diaper?
Yes, I did.
No, she doesn't have a diaper on. You know what that means?
What?
Maybe she peed in that water. And now you're drinking it. Gross. That's pretty gross. I don't think you should drink it anymore.
Did she put that on the